Heartland Retail POS Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get retail POS systems wrong. They think all systems are the same. Cash register, card reader, maybe some basic reports. Heartland Retail POS is different. The surprising truth is how much it can streamline sales, inventory, and reporting, and you won't believe how user-friendly it is for staff and managers alike. Here's how it works. Heartland offers an integrated point-of-sale platform designed for retail environments. You can process sales quickly, track inventory in real time, manage customer profiles, and generate detailed sales reports. The system works on both iPads and desktop terminals, which makes it flexible for stores of any size. For example, a boutique clothing store can scan items, apply discounts automatically, track stock levels, and even see which products are selling best all in one interface. Most people get this wrong. They assume POS is just about swiping cards, but Heartland's analytics can inform purchasing and marketing decisions, saving both time and money. Additional features include employee management, loyalty program integration, and support for multiple locations. Reporting is robust, with daily, weekly, and monthly summaries that can be customized to highlight what matters most for your business. However, there are considerations. Setup can take some time, especially if you're migrating from another system. Hardware costs and monthly fees vary depending on your store size and features. Most people assume implementation is instant. It's not. Proper training ensures smooth adoption. In conclusion, Heartland Retail POS is ideal for retailers seeking a full-featured, easy-to-use system that goes beyond transactions. Its combination of sales processing, inventory management, and actionable reporting makes it a smart choice for growing businesses. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of retail tools and business solutions.